Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable or use the magnifier tool in Windows. This tool is super handy if you need to zoom in on parts of your screen to see things more clearly. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. Alright. First, here's the quickest way to enable magnifier. Just normally press Windows key plus button on your keyboard. So I'm gonna press Windows key plus button. Now that it's open, you will see a small control window for the magnifier. You can adjust the zoom level by pressing Windows to zoom in more. So I'm gonna press again Windows So here you can see that it's a more zooming view here. On the other hand, you can press Windows key plus minus to zoom out again. Alright, now let's explore a few viewing options. And now you have to click on settings, go to settings, and here you will get a drop down menu, change magnifier view. So here you will get three options. One is full screen. This one zooms in on your entire screen, giving you a closer look at something. On the other hand, lens. This option acts like a virtual magnifying glass that follows your mouse pointer. On the other hand, docked. This mode keeps the zoomed in area fixed at the top of your screen, so you can scroll and work in the lower section. Here you can also see their shortcuts. Ctrl-Alt+D is equal to docked, Ctrl-Alt-F equal to full screen, and Ctrl-Alt-L equal to lens. Choose whatever you want for magnifying tool. If you want to turn off magnifier tool, just hit Windows key plus escape button. And that's how easy it is to enable and use magnifier in Windows. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.